हाय गाइस, जैसे कि आप लोग जानते हैं उत्तराखंड अपने विंटर ट्रैक्स के लिए बहुत मशहूर है। सो ये वीडियो एक्चुअली उस इक्विपमेंट के लिए बना रहा हूँ मैं कि जो जो हमें रिक्वायरमेंट होगी, एसेंशियल्स जो एक ट्रैक के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है। आप चाहे किसी भी वेबसाइट या किसी भी ट्रैकिंग कंपनी के थ्रू जा रहे हो या अपने आप ही जा रहे हो, तो कुछ एसेंशियल्स हैं जिसको ले जाना बहुत ज़रूरी है, स्पेशली इन विंटर ट्रैक्स। फॉर एग्जाम्पल केदारकांठा, ब्रह्मताल एंड देयरा बुग्याल। तो उन ट्रैक्स में आप क्या क्या ले जा सकते हो, ये वीडियो उस पर बेस्ड है। आई विल टेलिंग यू ईच एंड एवरीथिंग बिट बाय बिट। हर एक इक्विपमेंट का थोड़ा स्पेसिफिकेशन बताऊंगा ताकि आपको आइडिया लगे कि क्या है एग्जैक्टली ये। आई होप सो आपको इससे मदद मिले। थैंक यू। ये आप देख सकते हो, मैंने अपने काउच पे सब सामान डाला हुआ है। आई विल बी टेलिंग इसको कैसे प्लेस करना है एक रक्सैक में। सो आई विल बी स्टार्टिंग विद द डिटेल। इनर लाइनिंग स्टार्ट करते हैं। ये एक इनर लाइनिंग है, इसमें अंदर वार्म है एंड ये स्वेट रोकेगा आपका। तो ऐसी इनर लाइनिंग मैंने दो कैरी की है अपने साथ इस बार। एक प्रॉब्ली ब्लैक, एक ब्लू, एंड एक ये है एक लोअर इनर लाइनिंग के लिए, एंड एक ये टिपिकल थर्मल किंडले एज अ कंपनी, आई डोंट नो। दो पेयर लिए हैं मैंने वुलन सॉक्स के, जो आपको डिकैथलॉन में मिल जाएंगे, एंड दो टी शर्ट्स और हैं, 1 एंड 2, और एक मफलर। सो बेसिकली ये सब सामान आपको डिकैथलॉन में मिल सकता है आराम से। ये इनर लाइनिंग्स डिकैथलॉन पे अराउंड 400 के आसपास मिल जाएंगी, एक ये वाली। बट जो ये वाली है, जो ये अंदर से वुलन भी है एंड स्वेट भी रोकती है, तो ये अराउंड 2000 रुपीज़ की है। सो नेक्स्ट अप इन माई लिस्ट इज द लोअर्स एंड द अपर वेयर। सो अपर वेयर के लिए मैं दो जैकेट्स कैरी कर रहा हूँ। एक है थोड़ी मोटी है, इट्स क्वाइट अराउंड -10, it can hold -10 degrees Celsius, and this is -5 degrees Celsius jacket. But this doesn't mean that you don't have to wear anything inside. You have to wear at least one layer, that is of warmers, then only it will work. Alright, so next, this is a normal lower, and another, this is the mota wala lower. This has inner surface as warm. This comes around $1,000 from Decathlon. Also, I'm not promoting Decathlon, but all this stuff can easily be accessible in one-stop store. So next up is the accessories which we should carry. So I'll start with a neck gaiter. This is called a neck gaiter. It's wore in this area. One is this. These are a wedges glove. It's also available in Decathlon, and it cost around around 700. I bought it probably last year. Yeah. A power bank. A pair of sunglasses. This is a cap, which should. Next up, I love coffee. I love black coffee. So this is a coffee tumbler. It keeps you warm. And another one. I'm sorry. Poncho. It's a raincoat. It's very costly in Decathlon. I bought it in a market by 200-300 rupees. Not much. I mean, it covers all your backpack. It's a kind of a tent, a human tent. Yeah, this light. Sorry, it's a light headlight, and you can just mount it up on your head while you trek to the summit. Yeah, it comes with a pair of rechargeable batteries. It costs around 2200, but the cheapest one is around 700. A pair of Swiss knife, a thermo flask. You start a trek. You should carry warm water or hot boiling water inside it, and it will long last for 24 hours easily. I've experienced this many times. A normal pair of socks. This is what I would suggest when you hike for Kedarkantha or any summit. These are shop rates. The MRP is 200 over here, but it was available at 100 rupees, 99 rupees. When you take it out, it gets warm to a quite good amount of degrees, and you can just put it in your feet, you can just put it in your hands or the gloves, and it will make it warm. Yeah, some snacks for the hike. I like to carry BCAAs. You can carry any energy bars, protein bars. So these are the stuff which I would be carrying to high summit altitude trek. So guys, this is my bag. It is around 60 liters capacity rucksack, and the stuff which I showed you earlier, I'll adjust all of the thing inside this. I'll tell you how to put it. So ये -10 की जैकेट इतनी सी हो गई है, and this has to be the base for your rucksack. One gone. Next up, so I'm packing it in this way that my one set of clothes are beneath the lower level and one in the upper level, so that it is easily accessible when required. So this is the warmer lower. I'm keeping it down beneath this. Hiking gear gloves, I'll put this also under this because this will be used when we hike. Upper warmer one set, इतना ही भरा है, not even half. Normal warmers अब आप अपना basic सामान रख सकते हैं as per your wish. ना आप इनको squeeze कर सकते हैं, squeeze कर लीजिए because it helps to occupy the volume of the bag. So next up is my warmer, another upper layer with some tees going in, another lower. This is a lower from Decathlon. Oh, I still have the tag. There you go. Bye bye. ये थर्मो फ्लास्क आपका बैग के अंदर आएगा just because it keeps it insulated for 24 hours. इस आपका socks, pair of socks, woolen normal cotton socks and gaiters आप इसमें डाल सकते हो. This is the cap of the rucksack. Still have place for this. So आपके shop freights, so I would like to prefer इधर coffee, BCA and chocolates. Keep it in the left chain pocket, not this pocket, chain pocket. Sunglasses cover में डालते हैं. Close it. Keep the light over here. We go to negative temperatures, so basically आपकी जो बैटरी है वो ड्रेन हो जाती है. So I'll keep the power bank inside the rucksack between the clothes. I'll keep my Swiss knife in the inside hood. So ये हो गया है. Still have some space left. You can see. Tie the knot. Buckle up. So finally, bag is ready. The rucksack having all my essentials. Still have some space left, and it's in a good shape. I mean, it will be comfortable. It weighs around 10 kilos and it will be comfortable. Okay, the specialty in rucksack is that it has some metal support over here, so it keeps it straight. I would like to introduce my friend Nagendra, who is from Mysore, and he helped in making this video. Nagin.
Hi everyone.
So ये सब कुछ होने के बाद I hope that this helps you, any of the trekkers who coming from a very different part of the country, especially from South India, as he told me that people in South India are quite ambitious and quite crazy about the treks. So I have made this video just to help them. So how packing can help them carry the essentials things to the summit treks. I have been accompanied with Atul, my childhood friend, another friend Nakul. So we'll be leaving at around 5 AM in the morning. So we'll be driving to Lohajang from Dehradun, and it will take around 5 hours till Karnaprayag, and after that the road is not good, so it takes around 3.5 hours as per the GPS. It depends on the driver, that is me. I hope you guys like the video. If you like it, do share it with the trekkers, and I hope this information is good for you. Bye bye.